This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Biomass energy has gained massive support in recent years due to its economic and environmental implications. As a renewable energy source, biomass energy cannot be quickly depleted. Biomass energy is the utilization of organic matter using appropriate mechanical structures to produce energy. It is doubtless that biomass energy has advantages and disadvantages, which have to be considered when selecting a source of energy. This paper discusses the merits and demerits of biomass energy. Advantages of biomass energy. Biomass is widely known as a renewable energy source, which is utilized in producing electricity and other types of energy in most parts of the world. Biomass feedstock mainly comprises of organic matter that can be renewed for energy conversion. Commonly used materials include animal waste, agricultural crops, and industrial wood. In discussing the benefits of biomass energy, it is essential to note that it is renewable, i.e., its source cannot be depleted. In addition, this form of energy is safe and does not pose severe environmental pollution. This is because of the minimal amount of carbon compounds emitted when used compared to fossil fuels. Additionally, it reduces the methane concentration in the atmosphere, a compound responsible for the greenhouse effect. Importantly, it is cost-effective since the materials used are locally available. This reduces the expenditure on importing oil and petroleum products. Its production and consumption equally provide job opportunities in homes since manpower is needed. Disadvantages of biomass energy. Even though biomass energy is safe and renewable, it also has an array of disadvantages. The first disadvantage is the addition of dangerous gases into the air during the combustion of matter. Standard biomass emissions include carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides. These emissions contribute to global warming. Due to the fact that biomass feedstock comprises crops and residues, there is demand for land, which can be used to raise these crops. This land could be utilized for food crop production to feed families with insufficient food supply. Additionally, the technology employed in biomass production is relatively new and unpopular. As a result, the cost of installing and maintaining the infrastructure is a significant challenge. Furthermore, the cost of the technology limits its usage among low-class families. Biomass energy has limited potential in terms of its efficiency and capability. For instance, the energy might not be used to run heavy industrial processes, which are effectively supported by other forms of energy. It is worth noting that efficient production and utilization of biomass energy requires scientific research to ascertain possible hurdles. Although the energy is from a renewable source, most of the crops are seasonal. This may hinder its continuous production. Conclusion. This discussion shows that biomass energy has merits and challenges, which must be weighed before a decision is reached. Most of the issues discussed revolve around the cost-effectiveness of the energy and its impact on the environment, which has become a concern when using renewable energy sources. This essay on the advantages and disadvantages of biomass energy was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.